Hello and welcome to this channel. Please, at the end of this video, support me by liking the video, subscribing and sharing, especially commenting when you have issues on this tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching us two things. The first is how to add fragments to a linear layout. Number one, how to handle ONBACKPRESSED in fragments. So if you are an Android developer, Google made it compulsory it's advisable for you to always use fragments in every app. So you don't just make an app that depends on an activity. No, it will consume app memory. It will consume users' device memory, especially a device that is small memory or low-end memory, as the case may be. You use fragments. So adding fragment to a linear layout is just one line of code. As you can see, I added a fragment. I created my fragment by doing this. Then I need my fragment frag. You can name yours anything. I remove toolbar and status bar. So my fragment will be added. My fragment, you can see this. So now in our activity, we will add a linear layout. It also works on frame layout, relative layout, and others. So I name my linear layout as parent. So by default, sketchware names it as linear 1. But I change this to parent. You can leave it any name you want. Then we come to our oncreate. So to add our linear layout to our fragment to linear layout is just one line of code. This is it. This is the line of code that is needed. getSupportFragment. This is the name of my fragment. So you change FragFragmentActivity to the name of your fragment. Parent, you change it to your linear layout ID. That is the name of your linear layout. So you put this code in your oncreate. Put this code in your oncreate. So now let me remove padding. So at the end of the video, the project will be available on Sketchly. You can download it from there. Codes used in this video will be available on YouTube on the video subscription, so there is no need of downloading the project if you don't need to. So this is my linear layout. I change the color. You can do anything in your fragment. So I created a more block which we handle ONBACKPRESSED of our fragments, and I added the more block to our oncreate, and I added import. Added this import, and I also added the more block to our oncreate. So now let's see what happens in the more block. So now in our more block, you can see. So anything you want to happen when users press back in your fragments, you put it here. Anything you want, you put it here. You can move this blue block and put anything, whether you want it to toast, you want it to exit the app when they press back, you want it to go back on web view or anything. So this is what will happen. So now let's test the app and see. So this is my app. My default is showing red. So when I press back, it changes to blue, just as it is. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment on this video, like and share. It really means a lot. Your support on this channel really means a lot. Thanks for watching this video.